Hi guys, good morning everyone. Today guys I'm making in the India call they are calling this aloo gobi aloo gobi. Yeah. So I make boiled so much cauliflower. Cauliflower is so yummy. So I make boiled cauliflower. After this, I will make boiled potato. Then I will mix the masala and then next look. Because if we make boiled this the one, so it will be sure it will be really cooked, no? So that is at least we'll make boiled just for half cook only. And also half cook only, half cook this and half cook for potato. So let's get ready the all spices. So yan, natapos na natin. We finish the cauliflower and then this one is already half cooked. Yan. And so let's start to cook now. We need to finish cooking before. So ito lang yung ginaya ko guys. It's just nailed with this. I'm not putting more spices because sometimes more spices, the taste of the potato will be gone. And then so you put this one and this one and this one and this one, and you just put we need little sugar and coriander powder, chili powder, garam masala, little sugar. Oh, one piece of this. I want to put little one piece of this. Oh, we need the kasmeri methi also. Kasuri methi I mean. So yan natin. Okay na yan. It's already hot. We need to use the kasuri methi I mean. So yan natin. Okay na yan. It's already hot. We need to use the let's make this my favorite ghee. What happened to my camera? So it's already hot. Ang lakas ng washing machine namin. Yeah, so nice smell. So nice smell. Ginger garlic paste. So nice. Yan, it's so nice smell. So nice smell. So, ito na. Luto na guys yung tomato natin. So, sa napanood ko, ganito ilagay na natin ang ating powder, coriander powder, chili powder, garam masala powder, hindi nawawala ang turmeric powder guys. Pero pagkalagay natin ng aloo gobi. Pagkalagay natin ng potato with cauliflower, saka natin ilagay yung turmeric. Ganito yung napanood ko sa video na pinanood ko. ang YouTuber na nanonood ng video from YouTube, how to cook. Yan. I'm just watching from mostly of Indian ladies how to cook like this. So we can put now our veggies. Hindi ko na ginamit yung yung selfie stick ko, kaya hawak-hawak ko na lang ang aking yan. So lagyan natin siya ngayon ng turmeric powder. So para habang inimix natin siya is magkukulay na yung yellow na kanilang okay. So, ayun guys. Lagyan natin ng sugar. Oh, honey, honey. You are my candy. Lagyan natin ng water. You are my candy. Yan. So, I think we need to put more water, guys. Then, we will put a cover. Let's make to high fire. So, it's just like this. And we'll just need to put little water and cover. So, ito na guys. We are almost done. Yeah. It's very simple. Yeah, so we just need to put cover to make the tastes will be come into the potato and cauliflower. We just put a low fire. Just low fire. So we need to prepare this. Silipin natin ang ating niloto. Oh. Yum. So good. I think this is the potato is still a little hard. So I think 30 minutes more. So yeah, para matiim din yung lasa niya dito. Matiim ang kanyang lasa with potato and cauliflower with masala. With all the spices, yeah. Can we taste? So yummy. Yum. So yummy. Oh my gosh. Yan. Luto na siya. Luto na siya guys. So pangit naman yung para hindi slowly. So will not be broken. Just little broken on the. It's already cooked, but there are last little more water. So we need to be high. High fire, and then we let it mix. Yeah. So, maanghang na kasi siya guys. Kaya yung sili, pang pabango na lang natin yan. So, bigyan natin in the last. So, okay na yan siya guys. So, let's off the fire. Let's off the fire now. And before they will come. So, this is already spicy. So, that's why I put in the last time. I already off the fire, and then with this coriander. Of course, coriander is life. The dishes is not complete without coriander. It's so yummy coriander. Yeah, so it's already off. It's still early, so we need to remove them from the fire. Okay, so it's done. It's done. Bye. Wow, see my alo kobe looks so yummy. So nice guys, kain tayo. Yum yum. Another cook is a little dry. Now I open the fire. I will make it dry. Yes. High fire and make dry. So yummy. Kain tayo. Let's eat. Bye.
Mommy, today I write something